Are you a senior feeling the effects of muscle loss? Imagine regaining the strength and vitality of your younger years. This video reveals 7 research-backed habits to help you restore muscle and reclaim your independence. By the age of 80, many seniors have lost half of their muscle mass. This condition, known as sarcopenia, affects over 50 million seniors worldwide. The consequences are significant, with falls causing over 300,000 hospitalizations each year. Muscle loss isn't just about physical appearance, it's about quality of life. Reduced muscle mass leads to decreased mobility, increased risk of falls, and a loss of independence. It's a serious issue that deserves attention. Many believe muscle loss is an unavoidable part of aging. However, research is proving this assumption wrong. Some 70-year-olds have muscle strength and function comparable to younger adults. Maintaining muscle mass allows seniors to maintain their independence well into their 90s. It's about staying active, engaged, and enjoying life to the fullest. The key is understanding the right strategies. Surprisingly, 93% of seniors are unaware of the key habits that can combat muscle loss. Doctors often miss providing crucial advice on this topic. This lack of awareness contributes to the problem. There's often a contradiction in medical recommendations regarding exercise and nutrition for seniors. This video aims to clarify the confusion and provide actionable steps you can take today. Let's unlock the secrets to senior strength. Strong 80-year-olds often incorporate hormetic stressors into their routines. These are paradoxical stressors that, in small doses, provide significant benefits. Think of it as what doesn't kill you makes you stronger. Hormetic stress challenges your body in a controlled way, making it more resilient. It's about pushing your limits slightly to stimulate growth and adaptation. Let's explore some practical examples. Cold exposure, such as cold showers or plunges, can be incredibly beneficial. It activates brown fat and promotes mitochondrial biogenesis, which are crucial for energy production. Start slowly and gradually increase the duration. Saunas and hot tubs also offer hormetic benefits through heat exposure. They stimulate the production of heat shock proteins, which protect cells from damage. A Finnish study showed a 40% reduction in muscle loss with regular sauna use. Intermittent fasting involves restricting your eating window to 8 to 10 hours per day. This practice improves mitochondrial activity by 10%, boosting energy and cellular health. It's a simple yet powerful tool. Start by gradually shortening your eating window. Listen to your body and adjust as needed. Intermittent fasting can be a game changer for your overall health and muscle maintenance. Overcoming isometrics involves pushing or pulling against stationary objects. These short, forceful contractions activate longevity genes like FOXOs and sirtuins. It's a quick and effective way to stimulate muscle growth. Find a sturdy wall or object and push against it with maximum effort for a few seconds. Repeat this exercise several times throughout the day. It's a simple way to incorporate hormetic stress into your routine. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at utilizing protein, a phenomenon known as anabolic resistance. To combat this, it's crucial to spread your protein intake throughout the day. This ensures a consistent supply of amino acids for muscle repair and growth. Think of it as providing your muscles with a steady stream of building blocks. Avoid overloading your system with a large amount of protein at one meal. Consistency is key. There's a 3 to 4 hour window of opportunity for protein synthesis after each meal. Focus on consuming protein-rich foods during these periods. Avoid consuming the majority of your protein at supper. This strategy optimizes your body's ability to build and repair muscle tissue. It's about maximizing the benefits of each meal. Plan your meals accordingly to take advantage of this window. Aim for 25 to 30 grams of protein per meal. Include sources like eggs, Greek yogurt, lean meats, and lentils. A University of Texas study showed a 1.2-pound muscle gain with this approach. This amount of protein provides the necessary building blocks for muscle growth without overwhelming your system. Choose high-quality protein sources for optimal results. Remember, quality over quantity. Vitamin D is often called the muscle vitamin because of its crucial role in muscle function. 80% of elderly individuals are deficient in vitamin D. This deficiency can significantly impact muscle strength and overall health. Vitamin D activates muscle-building genes, promoting muscle growth and repair. It's essential for maintaining strength and mobility as you age. Don't underestimate the power of this vitamin. Optimal vitamin D levels are associated with 25% greater muscle strength. They also improve reaction time, coordination, and balance. This reduces the risk of falls and injuries. Maintaining adequate vitamin D levels is crucial for staying active and independent. It's about more than just muscle strength. It's about overall well-being. Prioritize this essential nutrient. Sun exposure becomes less effective at producing vitamin D as we age. Supplementation is often necessary to maintain optimal levels. A daily dose of 2,000 to 4,000 IU is generally recommended. Vitamin D-rich foods like fatty fish and egg yolks can also contribute to your intake. However, supplementation is often the most reliable way to ensure adequate levels. Consult with your doctor to determine the right dosage for you. Vitamin K2 works synergistically with vitamin D to prevent calcium buildup in arteries. This is important for cardiovascular health. A blood test can determine your individual vitamin D needs. Aim to maintain vitamin D levels above 40/min. This ensures optimal muscle function and overall health. Don't forget the importance of vitamin K2 for calcium regulation. Inflammaging is a chronic, low-grade inflammation that increases with age. This inflammation breaks down muscle protein faster and inhibits anabolic signals. It's a major obstacle to muscle growth and maintenance. Managing inflammation is crucial for preserving muscle mass and overall health. It's about adopting lifestyle habits that reduce inflammation and promote healing. Let's explore some effective strategies. Prioritize good sleep by maintaining a consistent bedtime and creating a dark, quiet sleep environment. Support gut health by consuming plant foods, fermented foods, and fiber. Moderate workout intensity with brief intervals. Incorporate anti-inflammatory substances like omega-3s, curcumin, and polyphenols into your diet. These natural compounds can help reduce inflammation and protect your muscles. Small changes can make a big difference. A high-sensitivity C-reactive protein, HSCP, test can measure your inflammation levels. Aim to keep levels below 1.0 milligrams. This test provides valuable insights into your overall health. Regular monitoring allows you to track your progress and adjust your strategies as needed. It's about taking a proactive approach to managing inflammation and protecting your muscles. Knowledge is power. Micronutrients play a crucial role in facilitating protein synthesis and muscle function. They are essential for optimizing muscle growth and repair. Don't overlook the importance of these often forgotten nutrients. Think of micronutrients as the supporting cast that enables your muscles to thrive. They work behind the scenes to ensure optimal function. Let's explore some key micronutrients for senior strength. Magnesium is essential for over 300 enzymatic reactions in the body. Adequate magnesium levels are associated with 30% stronger grips. Include magnesium-rich foods like leafy greens, nuts, and seeds in your diet. Magnesium is crucial for muscle contraction, nerve function, and energy production. It's a vital nutrient for maintaining strength and mobility. Ensure you're getting enough magnesium through diet or supplementation. Creatine improves muscle mass, strength, and cognitive function. A daily dose of 3 to 5 grams is generally recommended. Creatine is a safe and effective supplement for seniors. Creatine helps increase muscle energy and power, allowing you to perform exercises with greater intensity. It also supports brain health and cognitive function. Consider adding creatine to your supplement regimen. Declining stomach acid affects B12 absorption as we age. Methylated B12 is a more readily absorbable form of this essential vitamin. B12 is crucial for neuronal function and muscle energy. B12 deficiency can lead to fatigue, weakness, and nerve damage. Ensure you're getting enough B12 through diet or supplementation. Methylated B12 is a superior form for optimal absorption. Zinc, selenium, and chromium are essential mineral cofactors for muscle health. Adequate intake is associated with a 22% increase in muscle mass maintenance. Consider micronutrient testing for personalized supplementation. These minerals play a vital role in various metabolic processes that support muscle function. Micronutrient testing can help identify any deficiencies and guide your supplementation strategy. Personalization is key. The connections between your muscles and nervous system are often the weakest link. These connections degenerate faster after the age of 60. Preserving these connections is crucial for maintaining muscle function and coordination. Think of your neuromuscular connections as the communication lines between your brain and your muscles. Keeping these lines strong is essential for optimal movement and control. Let's explore some effective strategies. Engage in coordination exercises like Tai Chi, dancing, tennis, or ping pong. These activities enhance brain pathways to your muscles. They are associated with 31% better preservation of neuromuscular connections. Coordination exercises challenge your brain and body in new ways, strengthening the connections between them. They also improve balance, reaction time, and overall mobility. Make these activities a regular part of your routine. Consider incorporating neuromuscular health chemicals like alpha-lipoic acid, acetyl L-carnitine, benfotiamine, and huperzine into your regimen. Breathing techniques, such as vagus nerve stimulation, can also be beneficial. Box breathing can increase neural activation by 15%. These substances and techniques support nerve health and function, enhancing the communication between your brain and your muscles. They can help improve coordination, balance, and overall muscle control. Consult with your doctor before starting any new supplements. Engage in challenging cognitive pursuits to stimulate your brain. Brain training positively affects the neuromuscular system. Keep your mind active and engaged to support your physical health. Mental activity helps maintain the plasticity of your brain, allowing it to adapt and learn new skills. This, in turn, benefits your neuromuscular system. Challenge yourself with puzzles, games, and learning new things. Progressive resistance exercise is the most powerful anti-aging drug available. Targeted resistance training follows the use it or lose it principle. It's essential for preventing muscle loss and maintaining strength. Resistance exercise stimulates muscle growth and repair, improving strength, power, and overall function. It's a cornerstone of healthy aging. Don't be afraid to lift weights. Focus on high-intensity exercise to muscle failure. This triggers protein synthesis for 72 hours. Short, intense workouts are more effective than long, low-intensity sessions. Push yourself to your limits during each workout. This stimulates maximum muscle growth and repair. Remember to listen to your body and avoid overtraining. Prioritize compound motions like squats, deadlifts, rows, pushes, and pulls. These exercises elicit a stronger hormonal reaction. They work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. Compound exercises are more efficient and effective than isolation exercises. They also improve overall strength and functional fitness. Make them the foundation of your resistance training program. Gradually increase the difficulty of your exercises over time. This is known as progressive overload. It's essential for continued muscle growth and strength gains. Challenge your muscles by increasing the weight, reps, or sets you perform. This forces them to adapt and grow stronger. Progressive overload is the key to long-term success. Emphasize the eccentric, lowering phase of each exercise. Lower weights slowly and with control. This maximizes muscle damage and stimulates growth. The eccentric phase is often overlooked, but it's crucial for muscle growth. Focus on controlling the weight as you lower it. This will help you build more strength and muscle. Resistance exercise can lead to a 35% increase in strength and a 3.3-pound increase in muscle mass. It also improves cognitive function, bone density, and blood glucose control. The benefits are numerous. Resistance exercise is not just about building muscle. It's about improving overall health and well-being. It can help you live a longer, healthier, and more independent life. A common blunder is thinking resistance exercise is too risky for seniors. It's essential to prevent muscle loss, fragility, and falls. Aim for 2 30-minute sessions per week. Resistance exercise is safe and effective for seniors when performed correctly. It's crucial for maintaining strength, balance, and mobility. Don't let fear hold you back from reaping the benefits. You've now learned 7 research-backed habits for restoring muscle strength and vitality. Start with one habit and gradually build up. Invest in your strength and independence. Remember, it's never too late to start building muscle and improving your health. These habits are simple, effective, and backed by science. Take control of your health and reclaim your strength. Call to action. What are your thoughts on these habits? Which one will you start implementing today? Share your experiences and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more senior health tips.